So in this Freecash tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to withdraw money into Litecoin here on Freecash. So once Freecash is opened up, I want you to go to the bottom bar and select the cash out icon. Once you're on the cash out screen right here, scroll down all the way to the bottom to where it says crypto. Now once you're here, I want you to slide to the second option where it's sort of that L with the gray background, and then go ahead and press withdraw now. Now, once you're on this screen right here, you can go ahead and select if you want it directly to your Litecoin address or to your stake account. You can enter the address, the amount, etc. And if all looks good and you want to proceed, go to the bottom to withdraw your money into Litecoin and proceed that way. So fairly simple, fairly straightforward. That's how you guys can withdraw money into Litecoin here on Freecash. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.